2.2008 Toyota Tundra 2-wheel drive truck extended cab pickup. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, gas 5.8, 5.7L 346, RWD AM/FM CD player, rear-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, locking rear differential, tow hitch, tires front all season, tires rear all season, steel wheels, conventional spare tire, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 4-wheel anti-lock brake system, brake assist, heated mirrors, power driver mirror, power passenger mirror, heated exterior driver mirror, heated exterior passenger mirror, privacy glass, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, cloth seats, bucket seats, adjustable steering wheel, tire pressure monitor, power windows, power door locks.